Wakobecha oderijesu ukoko isiesi urobo tuto yerowawa wakobecha. Spoon ukujere. Fork ogwojeje. Knife avia. Breakable plate of sete. Plate omoze. Bucket ikoroba. Basin oze. Cup uko. Small glass iganase. Bottle ogo. Drink udi. Towel ikpacha. Pomade ori. Powder ipoda. Beauty eruru. Ugliness umiowo. Soap oja. Sweat oja. Strong gaga. Sweet mie. Bitter yara. Bitter yara. Wet kporo. Dry ya. Strange thing okpemu. Misbehavior ogbiro. Careless talk ogbeta. Wow shuo. Winch orieda. Rules uri. Tradition iriweru. Committee ume. Urobo sentence. Iriereta. General words in Urobo. Urobo English. Ufoma vi eve viyo osete. Odajivi igo cha. Ufoma put kola nut in a plate and also wage it with money. Ogoru di enuri meje kugbe iganase. A bottle of drink is on the table as well as drinking glass. Ufoma gwono go orara fokene oye uruemu urobo. Ufoma wants to entertain a visitor because that is Urobo tradition. Efe womoze je emuke emon evo. Ojivi osete je kefa. Efe serves some children food while she serves others with breakable plates. Aurora revue ufoma kpare okpemurovia evuoko. A visitor came to tell Ufoma about a strange thing that happened in the village. Imigene oko na rue ogbiro anyeje ta ogbeta ke ikpako. The youth of the village are misbehaving and talking carelessly to elders. Shuo oye na rucho wo kpare iweru ve iri ikworaware. Wow, that is against the tradition and the rules of our people. Oyo wokwo brenu, no compliant in prosperity and Urobo proverb. New word, etakpopo, new words, etakpopo, Urobo English. Kere, eve, kola nut, Aurora, visitor. Go, entertain. Udi, drink. Note, je, which is used as serve, it also means to choose. Yara is also used for bitter, as in emuna yara mamo, meaning the food is very bitter. Orieda, winch, is also for ajene, wizard. Aurora, visitor, is also for stranger. Iri, for rules. The singular form of which is uri.